tips for improving sleep quality naturally. Sleep. Something so natural yet so elusive for many of us. In today's fast-paced world, quality sleep often takes a back seat to work, screens, and stress. But did you know that poor sleep can affect your mood, energy levels, and even your long-term health? Today we're diving into simple, natural ways to improve sleep quality. From setting the right schedule to incorporating natural supplements, you'll discover practical tips that can help you unlock restful nights. Sleep is not just about resting. It's about recharging your body and mind. During sleep, your brain processes memories, your body repairs tissues, and your immune system gets a boost. However, inadequate or poor quality sleep has been linked to problems like fatigue, weight gain, weakened immunity, and even chronic conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. So prioritizing sleep is one of the best things you can do for your health. Now, let's talk about sleep hygiene, a set of habits that help you fall asleep and stay asleep. Your body thrives on routine. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This reinforces your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Signal your brain that it's time to wind down by engaging in calming activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath. Avoid anything that stimulates your brain, like checking emails or scrolling social media. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in comfortable bedding and block out disrupted noises with a fan or white noise machine. The blue light emitted by screens suppresses melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Try to put away electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime. If that's tough, consider using blue light-blocking glasses. Sometimes, despite the best habits, sleep may still be a struggle. That's where natural remedies can help. Magnesium is known as the relaxation mineral because it calms your nervous system. It can be taken as a supplement, or you can include magnesium-rich foods like almonds, spinach, and dark chocolate in your diet. Melatonin supplements can be a gentle nudge for your sleep cycle, especially if you struggle with irregular sleep patterns. Start with a low dose and consult a healthcare provider if needed. Teas like chamomile, valerian root, or passion flower have calming effects that can help prepare your mind and body for rest. Essential oils like lavender can promote relaxation. Try diffusing lavender oil in your bedroom or adding a few drops to your pillow. Finally, improving sleep isn't just about what you do at night. It's also about what you do during the day. Regular physical activity helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Just be mindful of exercising too close to bedtime, as it may be stimulating. Caffeine can stay in your system for hours, so avoid it after mid-afternoon. Similarly, while alcohol might make you drowsy initially, it can disrupt deep sleep. Natural light exposure during the day helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to sleep at night. Try to spend at least 30 minutes outside each day. Improving sleep quality naturally is about creating a lifestyle that supports rest. By establishing good sleep hygiene, incorporating natural remedies, and making smart daytime choices, you can transform restless nights into rejuvenating sleep. So tonight, start small. Maybe put away your phone an hour before bed, or try a cup of chamomile tea. Your body and mind will thank you. Remember, A good night's sleep is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for your well-being. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.